Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Tutorial Lore. Today, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to your Shopify store. Be sure to watch the whole video so you don't miss any steps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open your Shopify dashboard first. Log into your Shopify account and go to the Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click on Settings and then select Domains. Step 2. Choose a domain option in the Domain section. You will see two options. Buy a new domain through Shopify. Connect an existing domain if you already have a domain from a third-party provider like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Google Domains. Click Connect Existing Domain. Step 3. Enter your custom domain now. Type your custom domain in the provided field and click Next. Shopify will give you the DNS settings that need to be updated with your domain provider. Step 4. Update your DNS settings. Go to your domain provider's website and log into your account. Find the DNS or domain settings and update the following records. A record pointed to Shopify's IP address, 23,227,38,65. Name record set it to shops. Shopify.com. Save the changes and wait for the DNS settings to update. This process may take a few minutes to 48 hours. Step 5. Verify and activate the domain. Go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Once Shopify detects the updated DNS settings, your custom domain will be successfully connected. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to your custom domain. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching.